Hello, everybody. Hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Now me today. This topic when I want to talk about today. Now, some of our ladies will be say they look down on themselves. But they look themselves because they fat, because because they fat, because people they look, they say they're too fat. My dear, if you try diet, you try, you know fit. Don't go and kill yourself. Don't be say you know fit do what these clean people they do. Carry yourself. Know what to wear on time, just the day your point to yourself. Make sure say what this clean person wear, you go wear them. They happy for the kind of body way God give you, because some people they look for and they don't see them. Not be by food, not be by say maybe na food they make person fat, because this thing why they talk am. No, some people they look down on themselves because they're fat. So they're not the one dress, they're not the one wear clothes. You will say because if you wear them, if you know, it go fit you wear them. So that is you already wear them. So anybody we call they look you, now you can't know. Dress, not the look people because you they look down on yourself. You know the one even like go out, you know the one go party, you know the one enjoy yourself, all because you fat. As you don't try slim, you know feel slim. My dear, just the happy with the body where God give you. Enjoy yourself. Dress. They take care of yourself. They come out well. What do you say fat people don't they market? This is not only slim people. You don't say that all men like slim people. Don't be all men like slim people. Someday they like it fat. You know we will get body, so we be fatting sexy. Give yourself hope. Not they let people look down on you. You understand? All those concussion now they drink because when I want slim down. You know what it be? Some go day now you don't drink and finish, don't scrape all your body finish, don't even your womb. You can't carry belly, you know if you carry belly again because they drink concussion. You want die because you want slim down. Who tell you say slim people don't they eat? Who tell you say slim people they know they eat? Now they even eat past people way fat, but they know they fat. So my dear, if you don't try diet, you don't work out. Leave yourself, enjoy yourself. They wear, who tell you say big tops, not they for big girls like us. They dress, they carry yourself. Anything we slim person wear, it dey market, it dey for fat people. Fatty sexy, they call yourself fatty sexy. Dress. They give yourself hope. Don't be say you go they look down on yourself. Don't look down on yourself, my beautiful ladies in the house. Don't look down on yourself. God don't create you. God don't create you. There are some fat. You try me you slim. Fat when I not say maybe you just go fat where maybe you come be say you don't feel work. No. If you see and say you don't dey too fat, just try. Maybe you come down small. Don't be say you want die. If you don't try, you know fit rest. They carry yourself. Fat people close a day. Fat people close a day. Dress as in they come out. Not be say you go they look yourself because you're too fat. As you say me so I they wear with this slippers if you wear. I go wear them. You understand? Not let anybody bring you down. Some people don't want to see you say you they happy. They want me that they see you say you they always they look dirty so that they go they happy. You know? They happy, even though you don't get money, they happy with yourself, they happy with your family. If you be married woman, let your husband be your best friend. They happy with her. As far as your husband is not complaining about your body, so who be another person who want to complain about your body? Who be another person? Enjoy yourself, carry your body, they dress, they They look some people, they look down on themselves. Don't look down on yourself again. This message now for una. Now for horrible girls like us. No, they look down on yourself. They carry yourself. They, they dress. They know what to wear on time. Find that is just they take care of yourself so that make them they say, as this get fast, you see what you wear as to fit them. But some of our ladies, because they see say another slim person wears something, they look themselves say I know you suppose I slim like this girl now, I for wear with this girl wear. Don't slim like him. Some even they wear slim self. You go able see some slim people, you yourself go able tire. Not people everyone men like slim girls. Some day they like slim. Some day they like fat. You understand? I dey look Facebook one day, I see somebody wey marry fat woman. People they complain. I said, "Now you sure so? Now wetin you just like, now be that one. Now wetin they give and joy. It must not choose wetin you choose. You understand me? So they carry yourself. No, they look down on yourself. Some go just born finish. They know they want even dress again. They know they want even go out again. They just believe say they don't want to a babysitter for house. Now, in fact, not be marriage again. They can't do. You know what they can't do? Baby sitter. They can't just they ask because they don't born. They know they go anywhere again. And their husband will say, "Which you want to go do for outside?" Not be in a man. Now they come out. Now they take the shit for now. Not be only man. Sometimes you as a woman see come out. If not, until you know what they call depression, you just get up inside that house where you did. Make yourself happy. Enjoy yourself with your husband. I don't say go outside, go follow man. No. Sometimes go to party. Maybe your husband not be the party type. And you with your husband, you don't talk to her. Pet time. A day to the day where you want to go to the place. Pet time. Pet time. Sweetheart, I'm going somewhere. Please. I don't want to carry those children follow body. You help me take care of them. He go help you. Now your husband. Not all from our born out together. Not be only you one. Not die because you get picky. Enjoy yourself sometimes. Make yourself, as in, they make yourself happy. Don't look down on yourself because you fat. Don't look down on yourself. Don't let people bring you down. You understand me? This message now for our ladies we fat, we be say that they look down on themselves. They're not the one go out again. They're not the one dress. They're not the one even deal with people because they'll feel say that they laugh them. They're not laughing you, my dear. Don't look at them. Not even make them. They make you feel bad. In fact, the way you go to they carry yourself in, then go they die for his house there. They go they carry hypertension for your matter. They go they shop Panadol for your matter. You understand? So this message now for now. So my ladies, where be say they know what that they do. They go hear this message and they go enter their head well. So thank you everybody. So let me talk about my hookup. My hookup is still there. So if you need a responsible man and the responsible woman, contact Lady J. I am still here for you people. If you date Italy and you need a man for Italy, call me. If you date Germany and you need a responsible a man and a responsible woman, you can still contact me. I'm still here for you people. If you date France, call me too. So excuse me. So France, girls, if you need man for France, call me. If you need man for UK, call me too. So if you need a woman for UK to call me, and if you need a woman for Germany, because men dey now for Germany, call me. I go hook you up. A responsible man go marry you fast. No shame. If you shame, you go just dey there for his house there. They carry hypertension. You know they call hypertension. This time when we dey so, not be the time we be say you go just the waka, guys go dey toast you, they go. No, things don't change you. Nah, either Sunday they walk. Because of work, they know they fit see woman. They know they fit son, no they fit see man. So contact me. I will hook you up with the responsible man, the responsible woman. So thank you, everybody, and take care until I come your way next time. I remain Lady J. So contact me. Lady J, we know it today. We sabi carry herself. You know? Like carry herself. This is fatty, sexy. So take care and bye until I come your way next time. I remain Lady J. Bye. And share this video for me. And subscribe for my YouTube. So that you go they get better story we go to talk about here. So thank you and bye.